How to change password in Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to change passwords on Twitter. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open X or Twitter app on your device. Make sure you log into your account. Navigate to profile icon at top left corner of your screen. Now you need to scroll down to bottom and select setting and support and select setting and privacy. Now choose your account option and tap on change your password. Now enter your current password and then you can easily enter a strong new password and confirm the new password. So the password must be at least 8 characters and then you need to select the update password. In case you forget password, tap forget password and you can easily recover your current password and enter it to change or update password on Twitter. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.